Hi, I am Clement. Are you wondering how to become a translator or how to start freelancing as a translator? Even if you don't have a degree, you can start translating professionally and even earning online today. Most of all you need is just to master 2 languages very well. In this video, I will show you exactly how to start, and I will also highlight a simple tool that can save you months of trial and error. Many beginners ask the question, can I earn money by translating languages? How much does a freelance translator earn? How much does a 1,000 word translation cost? The problem is that most people waste months trying to figure this out on their own, but you don't have to do that. That is why I really created the Freelance Translator Starter Kit, which is a beginner-friendly roadmap to help you start translating professionally. And what are some of the things that you really find inside this starter kit? Let us try to go over to see some of the things you are going to really get as you try to read this. Okay, as you can see, this is our Freelance Translator Starter Kit that I took time to really prepare. Try to talk about myself so that you can know a bit who is the one really prepared this starter kit. Try to know my history, the experience I accumulated over the years, and I try to first of all welcome you to this Freelance Translator Starter Kit, presenting it, and then I try with the essential tools that every beginner translator must know and even master. We begin with what they call CAT tools, computer assisted technology. Start with mem source, and then you have a link. There is a video you can watch to see practically how to use this CAT tool. Let's move up. Talk about this other CAT tool that is called crowding, and then there is also a video you can watch right away to apply what you are reading here, how to create your invoice once you finish a job. And then this is even a sample I pasted on the document so that you can see for yourself how I prepared one. And there is a video that is helping you to see practically how to create your invoice when you finish a job. What about scanned documents? You have Gina OCR that can be used to convert light scanned documents, and there is a video there explaining how to use it. What about made card? That is another card tool. Try to explain what is it. And then there is a link there where you can also watch the video practically. What about Word Fast Anywhere? That's another CAT tool. Try to explain, and then there are some videos there. You have the links that you can click to watch. What about Smart Card? That's another one. Explain it, and then you have links to some video practical aspects of the guide. What about SDL Trado Studio? Explain what is it, and the link also to go and watch. What about localization, which is very important in translation? I explain it, and then a link, you can watch a video. What about some essential platforms where you can get customers? Like for example, Pros is one of them where you go and apply. I explain to you how to do so. There is a video, practical video. What about Translation Directory, another powerful platform? There is a video explaining what it is. And I try to summarize it at the end to make your work easy so that you can already have an idea about these different venues. Try to summarize some of the links at the end so that you can quickly get them as a reference to really see how to go about mastering the basics of translation. Practical guide. Yes, just as you saw, everything is explained step by step so that you don't feel lost or even overwhelmed. It is perfect for anyone who wants to start freelancing. as a translator and even earn some money online the right way. Students who followed this system landed their first paying translation projects just within weeks. Even beginners with zero prior experience learn how to work with clients, use professional translation tools, and build real freelance translation career. If you are serious about getting started, the Freelance Translator Starter Kit is intentionally priced under $10 so that beginners can have access to it without risk. You can get instant access by just clicking on the link in the description. Please don't wait. Start earning money translating languages online and even build a freelance career you control. And if you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel for more practical tips, and even comment below if you would like me to explain, for example, how much freelance translators really earn online. Thank you very much for paying attention.